Hey guys, my name is Pinky Saka. You welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today guys, we are cooking together. Let us stick together and cook. Yes guys, I was frying onion and the garlic. I was frying and then I put tomatoes. Now I add the tomatoes. Now I'm adding my chicken. We're cooking a chicken stew. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Let us see. It's coming. Now I'm gonna add my turmeric. Now I'm adding my curry powder. I must mix it very well, guys, so that my chicken it will look good. But already it is smell delicious. And then I put a chilies, they call it pepe, and then I put a little bit of water for the chicken to be cooked very well. That yellow bowl, it's a chilies, guys. I don't know in your country or what do you call it. It's not the one we as South Africans we used to. We call it pepe because we thought maybe it's from Africa. The Nigerians they call it pepe. And then I add a little bit salt. For the good taste. I don't like too much salt, guys. And it's just that salt it comes out little bit. And then now I had to close my pot. I had to come back and check my pot, and then I pour a green pepper. I put a green pepper, guys, the chopped green pepper ones. And then I stir my meat. I stir it. Oh, it looks very good, and it is smell very good. It smells delicious. I remember, guys, in the chicken stew I cooked, I don't think that we were all cooked the same, cook in a different ways. Now my chicken is ready. It's good to eat. It's really, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like my video, share, comment down below. Now it's time for me to sit down and enjoy my meal. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out, guys.